This is my second time working with Parrot Realty. We used them for a sale of my previous house. And then when I was looking into this one, I reached right out to them. They were super responsive. Yeah, that was great. Alexa was fantastic, great communication, always accessible, text, phone call, email. Whenever I had a question, she got back to me right away. Stayed on top of me so that I got everything done in a timely fashion. There was no delays, no issues. Kind of keep you up to date with whatever has to be going on. You're never really behind, they're always on top of you. Super easy. They just felt very homey, very comfortable. It was great. The whole team is great. It's been fantastic, just very seamless, very efficient. It was a good experience. I would absolutely recommend Parrot Realty to family, to friends. It was fun. I enjoyed it.